Magandang buhay, my name is Chef Janjie at Easter na, and this time gagawa tayo ng another dish using Sarangani Bay Prime Bangus boneless milkfish smoke. So gagawa tayo ng lumpiang tinapa. So of course, step 1, ang ating Sarangani Bay. So hinimay-himay ko na ito. And then we're gonna add our carrots, our pickles. Naglagay din tayo ng cheese, diced bell peppers or chili americano, onions, garlic, and then we will season it with salt and pepper, and then 1 egg. A little cornstarch and a little flour. So, mix lang natin siya like this until it's well incorporated. Using our lumpia wrapper, we're gonna put a tablespoon or 2 of our lumpia filling, and then we'll just roll it. Okay, so I'm using oil to seal off the edges. Okay, there you go, and set it aside. Yan. So we'll just preheat our oil to around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The moment of truth. Yeah. We will fry our tinapang lumpia. And there you have it, guys, our tinapang lumpia. And all these ingredients you can get at your local Island Pacific supermarket. Happy Easter to everyone!